How to recover WhatsApp deleted call history. First thing to do is to go to your WhatsApp account. Let's just say, for example, you deleted a call history or you cleared a messages on chat. There are some ways and applications to help you recover your deleted history, but not all applications and features can be available or can be used on your phone. For example, this application, All Deleted Messages Recovered. Let's try to use this one if this can really recover our chat history or call history. So as you can see, no status save here, no data, nothing. So I think this feature or this application is not available on my phone. So the best thing to do now is to go to your WhatsApp again, go to contact us and try to reach out for them with this concern or this problem. Let's just say, please help me recover my deleted history. Customer team to respond and help you with this problem. Thank you for watching.